Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're ready to design your own custom basketball jersey in Canva. I'll show you how. First, click the New Design button to start your project. Select the text tool, then type the word T-shirt into the text box. Press Enter to confirm your text selection. Type Sports T-shirt into the search bar now. Now we have this format displayed. To continue, add another page just like you did previously. Click the Add Page button at the bottom to insert a new page into your document. This keeps your project organized and ready for additional content as you move forward. To document a medication administered via the subcutaneous route, select Subcutaneous from the route options. Then enter the medication details, dosage, and administration time accurately. To enable SC Compulsory mode, go to your settings and select the SC Compulsory option. Make sure to save your changes. This setting ensures all relevant processes follow SC requirements, helping maintain compliance throughout your workflow. Press Ctrl and C together to copy your selection, merging all selected elements into one group. This allows you to move or edit them as a single entity, simplifying your workflow. Select a t-shirt to begin. If you notice the t-shirt is not suitable for your project, mark it as a bad t-shirt so it won't be used in your design. This ensures your final selection only includes t-shirts that meet your requirements. Check that all required items have been provided by our designated producer. Review the list to ensure everything necessary is included. Pay special attention to the secondary options. These choices are important for later steps. Confirm everything matches the requirements before continuing to the next section in the process. Next, I'll provide a few more important updates so you're fully informed before moving on. Please pay close attention to these upcoming details, as they'll help ensure you're prepared for the following steps in this process. Expand this item by clicking the arrow. Next, deselect the dice option to undice it. Finally, select the adjacent item and choose Die to apply that effect. Follow these steps to complete the process. You can switch this sidebar aside by clicking the arrow icon over here. You're finished. All steps are complete and the process is done. You can now close the application safely. Now the Control key is set up. You can use it to perform your intended keyboard shortcuts. This is now your entity. You'll have ownership and full control over it. Any changes you make will apply directly to this entity, and you can edit, update, or share it just like any other file or project you own. With your jersey designed, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download to save your finished jersey to your device. Be present and available to pray as needed. Offer your best support by focusing on prayer throughout the situation or event. You've just learned how to make custom basketball jersey designs in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.